In this video, we are discussing 10 most expensive hotels in the world 2021. We have done this video after a long research and surveys conducted in different type of tourists all over the world, article, travel videos, Google search, blogs, hotel websites, etc. We do not claim that the information we have gathered and providing you is 100% accurate. Here is a list of hotels and enjoy your video. Number 10. Burj Al Arab, Dubai. A global icon of Arabian luxury, Burj Al Arab takes hotel design to a new level of modern luxury and has also redefined the meaning of exceptional hospitality both in Dubai and around the world. Burj Al Arab Jumeirah, which stands at 321 meters, is 14 meters taller than the Eiffel Tower and only 60 meters shorter than the Empire State Building. The eiderdown duvets in the rooms are some of the most exclusive in the world. There are 17 types of pillow available to the guest on the pillow menu. Located 280 meters off the shores of Dubai, Burj Al Arab was built on a man-made island. Guests access it via a bridge road that is 340 meters long. Construction began on the iconic landmark in 1994 and it took 2 years to create the island and then 3 years to build the hotel itself. The interiors are gilded in 24 karat gold. Approximately 1,790 square meters of 24 karat gold leaf was used to embellish the hotel's opulent interiors. It is a home to the largest Swarovski crystal ceiling in the world. More than 24,000 square meters of statuary marble is used throughout the hotel. The hotel's dramatic helipad has given a platform to the number of incredible stunts. The terrace is the first man-made luxury beach facility of its kind. Cost of one night stay is 24,000 USD. Number 9. Hotel Plaza Athene, Paris. True to its extraordinary city, Hotel Plaza Athene is no ordinary hotel. Here, on the prestigious Avenue Montaigne, the tree-lined boulevard of French fashion, this hotel proudly offers guests the very best of Paris. In 1911, hotelier Jules Catlett funded the building of this hotel at 25 Avenue Montaigne and construction began. Designed by esteemed architect Charles Lefevre, Hotel Plaza Athene officially opened its door on April 20, 1930. On the prestigious Avenue Montaigne in Paris, Hotel Plaza Athene is a luxury palace with a Dyer Institute spa, 5 restaurants, a cocktail bar, and a seasonal ice skating rink. It offers elegant accommodation with a marble bathroom, a 5-minute walk from Avenue Champs-Élysées, a plasma screen TV with over 200 on-demand movies features in all of the rooms and suites at Hotel Plaza Athene, Paris. Guests can choose from 80 drinks for the personalized minibar and 5 pillow types for a good night's sleep. All guests have free access to the spa. Some room features view of the Eiffel Tower. Alma Marceau metro station is 300 meters away and the Eiffel Tower is 15-minute walk from the hotel. This grandeur hotel in Paris has one of the biggest suites in hospitality industry. Guests even have a private kitchen and steam room to enjoy. Cost of one night stay is around 26,000 USD. Number 8. Palms Casino Resort, Las Vegas. Unprecedented suites, unrivaled art, uncompromising service. Palm Casino Resort was a hotel and casino located near the Las Vegas Strip in Paradise, Nevada, United States. It has 703 rooms and suites and contains 94,840 square feet casino, recording studio, Michelin-starred restaurant, and 25,000 seat concert theater. The Fantasy Tower is also home to several nightlife venues, including Moon Nightclub and The View. The tower holds what are known as the Sky Villas and Fantasy Suites, which are some of the most expensive hotel suites in the world. The Palms project was first developed by the Maloof family in July 1999 during the Fiesta Hotel Casino expansion. The casino resort broke ground in July 2000. The project was officially announced by George Maloof on October 24, 2000. Construction was completed on September 26, 2001 and the Palms opened on November 15, 2001. Nevada casinos were ordered to close on March 18, 2020 due to the COVID-19 pandemic and its effect on the state. Casinos there began reopening a few months later, although the Palms remained closed as of March 2021, while station casinos waited for a rebound of the economy. From the resort's collection of new award-winning restaurants, expanded gaming spaces, luxurious rooms and suites, one-of-a-kind entertainment venues, museum-worthy contemporary art program, and a world-class musical residencies. The completely reimagined property guarantees to deliver an experience that transcends the expected strip formula. The design style of this hotel has an amazing blend of modernizing and retro fashion. Cost of one night stay is around 35,000 USD. Number 7. Martinez Grand Hyatt Cannes. The Hotel Martinez is a famous Art Deco style grand hotel on the Croisette at Cannes. Open in late 1920s, the Hotel Martinez embodies the lightheartedness of the Côte d'Azur and Mediterranean lifestyle. Known for its warm and friendly atmosphere full of zest for life, this is and was the place to see and be seen on the Croisette. Inspired by the Art Deco style of the landmark and the colors of Côte d'Azur, interior designer Pierre Rochon breathes new life into the Green Globe certified luxury hotel in Cannes. 409 rooms including 99 suites. Located on the famous La Corse Boulevard in Cannes, Hotel Martinez in the Unbound collection by Hyatt is a 5-star hotel featuring a private beach which is accessible for an extra charge. Spa service such as massages, body treatments and facials are available and guests can exercise in the fitness center. Hotel Martinez in the Unbound collection by Hyatt offers direct access onto the beach and is within walking distance of the shopping area. With a secure private car park, the hotel also offers valet parking. Nice Côte d'Azur Airport is 20 km away. This is guest favorite part of Cannes, according to the independent reviews. This hotel is a prominent feature of luxury living in France. Cost of one night stay is around 41,000 USD. Number 6. Grand Resort Lagunacy, Athens. Escape in a heaven of relaxation and grandeur by the azure of the sea. Dwell in the pleasures of luxury and experience the epitome of indulgence in the dreamiest island-like resort of the Athenian Riviera. Nestled in a 72-acre private peninsula in the Athenian Riviera with stunning views to the surrounding Gulf, the 5-star Grand Resort Lagunacy exceeds all expectation of a luxury summer resort. The Grand Resort Lagunacy is conveniently situated on the cosmopolitan Athenian Riviera and encircled by the azure of the Aegean Sea. It is set close to the center of Athens, 45 minutes, the Athens International Airport, 20 minutes, and the port of Piraeus, 50 to 60 minutes, thus allowing easy access to some of the most spectacular attractions, venues, beaches, shopping districts, restaurants, bars, and athletic complex of Athens. The resort provides endless choices of luxurious accommodation, all on the waterfront with direct access to the sandy beaches or to the sea. Deluxe rooms with stunning sea views, bungalows with private pools, suites with gym quarters, and villa with private spa areas compose the Grand Resort luxurious scenery. The latest in comfort of technology pervade every single room combined with sleek interior creating an ambience of residential charm and unparalleled beauty. It facilitates helicopter lifts, yacht hire, and limousines for its guests. Cost of one night stay is around 50,000 USD. Thank you so much for watching and listening. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you like the video then make sure you hit that thumb up, and please don't forget to subscribe our channel and click the bell icon for new notifications.